how to get reply option in Instagram on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application, right? Now, here on the upper part is you will see your messenger icon. Tap on that and you will see your conversation section. Now, all you have to do is to open your chat here, and if you swipe on the person's chat here, you will see replying to yourself or replying to that person. Now, if you do not have option is because your Instagram application is outdated. So all you have to do is to go to your app store here and then search for Instagram. Now here on Instagram, you will see an update button there. If you'll see an update button, that means you have to actually update your application, and just tap on that update button and wait for it to be updated. Now, it's very important for you to update your application. It's because it's a newer version and you can only access the new features once you update your application. Now, reply option on Instagram is actually a new feature. So if you want to actually get the reply option, then all you have to do is to update your application. And basically, that is how you get reply option in Instagram on iPhone. And basically, that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.